For centuries, old doctors and healers have used castor oil, a humble, natural remedy, to tackle everything from joint pain and cracked heels to poor circulation and restless legs. This age-old practice not only soothes discomfort, but also helps detoxify your body and boost overall wellness. The last benefit will totally blow your mind. Improves sleep quality. Having trouble falling asleep or staying asleep through the night? I feel your pain. As we get older, it seems those peaceful slumbers get harder and harder to come by. But here's a little trick that I've found helps. Rubbing castor oil on my feet before bed. And, I know it sounds weird, but hear me out. Castor oil has this compound called ricinoleic acid, which helps your nervous system chill out. Massaging it into your feet increases blood flow down there, and that sends signals up to your brain that it's time to relax and unwind. Anyway, after rubbing the oil in real good, I like to put on a pair of cozy socks. Something about covering up and getting snuggly just amps up that whole relaxation effect. Reduces cracked heels. Cracked heels hurt and can look pretty gross, especially when we get older. Castor oil is a natural moisturizer full of fatty acids that really soak into and repair dry, damaged skin. If you gently massage some castor oil into your heels every day, it soaks way down into the different layers of skin, softening up tough calluses and helping heal cracks faster. The oil also has antibacterial stuff in it to prevent infections where your skin's cracked open. And for best results, smear a bunch on before bedtime, slip on a pair of soft socks, and let the oil work its magic overnight. When you get up, your heels will be smoother and healthier, making every step comfy. Simple, and it works. Relieves joint pain.
But it basically comes from the seeds of the castor oil plant. It's an unsaturated fatty acid, which 90% of it has a very special type of fat. It's called ricinoleic acid, okay, which is anti-inflammatory, which is anti-pain, so you can rub it on joints. It's an antifungal. It's good for your immune system. So some people put it on their psoriasis and their skin, they rub it into the skin. Other people use it on the eyelashes to help the eyelashes become thicker, stronger, and longer.
As we age, joint pain from arthritis or stiffness becomes common. Castor oil is a natural anti-inflammatory remedy that can ease this discomfort. Its key compound, ricinoleic acid, penetrates deep into the skin to reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation around the joints. By massaging castor oil onto your feet, especially around painful areas, you promote relaxation and flexibility. For best results, warm the oil slightly before applying and cover your feet with socks to keep the oil in place. This simple, soothing remedy can help reduce pain, stiffness, and swelling, making it easier to move and stay active. Boosts circulation.
Let's explore what makes castor oil such a unique and powerful ingredient. It's extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. And when it's applied topically, will help alleviate your pain, it will reduce your swelling by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory molecules.
Poor blood flow can leave our feet feeling cold or numb as we get older. Rubbing some warmed up castor oil into the feet before bed can help get the blood moving better. The thick oil sort of gives the blood vessels a nice massage when you rub it in, especially on the soles and ankles, and doing this regularly might help take down any swelling, tingling, or tiredness in the legs and feet. The nutrients in the oil probably pitch in too. Socking your feet up after oiling them keeps everything warm and toasty, so the oil can really do its thing while you sleep. Making this a habit can help the feet feel more comfortable and energetic again by improving circulation. It's a pretty simple home remedy that can keep your feet happy and healthfully active. Eases leg cramps. Leg cramps are the worst, especially when they hit at night and mess up your sleep. I've totally been there, wide awake at 2 a.m. trying to stretch out a wicked Charlie horse. Not fun. But get this. Castor oil can chill those cramps right out. It's got this compound called ricinoleic acid that dive bombs straight into your muscles and loosens things up, and better blood flow, way less tension, bye-bye leg cramps. Just rub some on your feet, calves, ankles before slipping under the covers. Warm it up a little first if you want bonus relaxation points. Then take a few minutes to massage it in good and slow. I'm telling you, it makes a crazy difference. Sailing off to sleep with happy cramp-free legs. No more nasty middle-of-the-night wake-up calls. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to rock another day. Reduces swollen ankles. As we get older, it's pretty common to notice some swelling or puffiness around our ankles. This can happen for a bunch of reasons. Poor circulation, retaining extra fluid, or just from being on our feet too much. Using castor oil is an easy, natural way to help with this annoying issue. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties and helps promote drainage of all that built-up fluid. Massaging some warm castor oil into the feet and ankles allows it to really penetrate down into the tissues. This can get the blood flowing better and encourage fluids to move out of the tissues. And doing this with some gentle circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes can make a big difference in easing up the puffiness and discomfort. It takes some of that feeling of pressure away. Then prop those feet up on a pillow for 10 or 15 minutes afterwards. This gives gravity a chance to help pull those fluids out too. Following this routine helps reduce the swelling and ankle soreness, so you can keep active and comfortable. Combats toenail fungus. Dealing with toenail fungus can be a real pain, especially when we get older. It just keeps coming back no matter what you do. But castor oil might actually help get rid of it for good. Castor oil has some natural fungus-fighting ingredients that can penetrate down into the nail and start attacking the infection at its source. Here's what you do. Just rub a little bit of castor oil directly on the yucky toenails and skin around them every day. It might help to warm up the oil for a few seconds first so it soaks in better. And then before bed, put on a pair of breathable socks and let that castor oil marinate overnight. Over time, if you stick with this easy home treatment, you could start to see cleaner looking nails again as the fungus goes away. Relieves foot pain. If your feet hurt real bad when you walk or stand, castor oil can help calm things down. We all get creaky joints and sore feet as we get older, and this thick, greasy stuff rubs nice and deep into aching muscles and tissues to loosen them up. Just warm it a little between your hands and work it into the sore spots on your feet. The heels, the arches, the balls, anywhere it really hurts. The oil seeps in while you sleep and blocks the swelling and irritation, making every step less of a literal pain. And it's an old-fashioned fix, but it definitely takes the edge off plantar whatever. It's called arthritis, overworked feed, and just general ouchiness. 10 minutes before bed, socks over top to hold it all in place and let the magic happen overnight. Detoxifies the body. As we get older, our bodies don't always eliminate toxins as well as they used to. This can make us feel tired and bloated a lot of the time. Massaging warm castor oil into your feet can actually help get things moving again and remove gunk building up in your system. The feet have pressure points that match up with your major organs. Rubbing oil into your soles gives those organs a bit of a kickstart. And so before bed, put some warm castor oil on your feet and massage it in real good for 5-10 minutes. Doing this regularly helps boost energy since you're not carrying around so much waste. It reduces bloating too and leaves you feeling cleaner and healthier overall. Fights nerve pain. Nerve pain can really bug a person, you know, like when your feet burn or tingle. Ouch! Gets worse as we get older too, especially with stuff like neuropathy. But castor oil can chill those nerves out. It's got anti-inflammatory superpowers that amp up blood flow. And blood flow is nerve food, baby. More food equals more chill. The oil's mad moisturizing too. Slather it on dry, cracked skin and voila. Healing happens, and here's what to do. Warm that stuff up a tad and give your feet a nice rub down. Focus on the soles, heels, and toesies. 5 to 10 minutes a day does the trick. Reduces restless leg syndrome. Dealing with restless leg syndrome, or RLS, can be super annoying when you're trying to chill out or fall asleep at night. It makes you feel like you've got to move your legs no matter what, even if you don't want to. Not fun. But castor oil can actually help relax your muscles and quiet down your nervous system if you massage it into your lower body before bed. And it's got anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce any twitchiness, tension, or discomfort you might be feeling in your legs. And it also boosts your circulation so more blood flows easily to your feet, calves, and thighs. I'd warm up the oil a bit before rubbing it in nice and slow. Then throw on some cozy socks and leave them on while you sleep. Heals corns and calluses. Corns and calluses form from thick, dry skin, causing discomfort. Castor oil softens hardened skin with its deep moisturizing properties, making it easier to remove. Massage the oil onto affected areas daily and cover with socks overnight. Over time, your feet will feel smoother, healthier, and pain-free. Improves digestion. Rubbing castor oil on the feet can improve digestion by stimulating reflexology points connected to the stomach and intestines. This gentle massage boosts circulation, reduces bloating, and eases constipation. Apply warm castor oil to your soles before bed to relax your body, supporting smoother digestion and overall gut health. Castor oil can really help your feet feel better. Rubbing some warm castor oil on your feet and joints helps with swelling and pain, and it's got this thing called ricinoleic acid that reduces inflammation way down deep in the tissues. So it makes walking around so much easier when your dogs aren't barking anymore. People say castor oil chills out your hormones too. Massaging it on your feet gets your blood pumping and helps your body clean out all those toxins. Who knew your feet were connected to your thyroid like that? When everything's flowing right, your mood gets better, you feel more energetic, and life just seems good.